Hi guys. Okay. Hi guys. Today I'm going back to school. It's my first day of in-person classes. I started last week, but because of the weather, it was online. I haven't been to school in a while, so I don't know. I'm kind of excited because I've been working part-time, and I'm glad to have the day off, kind of. And then after school, I'll be meeting with my friend. And yeah.
Stop sign.
Do you guys get to school early to pick your seat, or do you wait a little and then see who you're sitting next to? That's what I'm trying to figure out right now. Bye-bye. See you later. I'm already late to my first class and my only class on campus because I couldn't find parking. It's a nice day outside though. It's like 50-something degrees.
Doing the work to give the different characteristics. And really, I'm kind of thinking of it at just the one little cell level. And all the proteins in that cell are going to affect that cell. Having tissues and organs and organ systems. So it gets really kind of big and convoluted. They transport things across the cell. And all of these things together.
My class is now over. I'm walking to my car. But here's my OOTD for today. Yay! Hi guys, I feel like everyone has been talking about Swedish candy, or at least it's been on my For You page. This one is a variety bag. It comes with 5 types, and they're all sugar coated. Let me show you. Bubblegum flavor. I'm not a fan of bubblegum gummies, but it tastes really fruity. Kind of reminds me of medicine, so it's not my favorite. This one has like a hard chew. It's thin and dense. And each gummy type has like another variation. Let me try to show you. Like this one. Have different flavors. That's really good. I love these Coca-Cola ones. They taste just like soda. So good. This one is like a licorice covered thing. And I don't know why it's showing up orange. It's red. Really red. To me, I really like these because you can peel them. They taste like if Twizzlers were covered in sugar. Really light strawberry, like a strawberry taffy flavor. Oh, they're so good. And my favorite are these rings. They have so many color variations of it. This lemon lime one is my favorite. So soft. Super soft and chewy, not too sour, very sweet and yummy. I'm gonna put them in here and finish them up. Hi guys, I have school today, and before school I wanted to sign up for a gym membership because it's the new year. And something I really want to do is work on my health and fitness, but I got my gym membership. They gave me a little door tappy thingy, but I saw a classmate, so I'm at Walgreens now, just to sell time before school starts. I'll be back another day to work out, not today. I didn't work out today, but maybe I can work out another day. You know, what counts is that at least I came today and I set up a gym membership. We'll try again next week. It's about to storm outside and it's so humid, but I'm walking to class. OOTD.
Certain molecules, right? And of course, we develop in childhood thing, where the environment dictates whether hematuria, which is PKU. So this is a genetic disease. So this is, call it, I guess you can call it mutation. And since most genes produce, we have gene in alanine is an amino acid in protein profiles in the protein sources we eat. And sometimes phenylalanine, if there's too much of it, it can accumulate, like in the nervous tissue, sometimes in other areas of tissues, and it can cause trouble, right, if the buildup over time happens. This enzyme cleans out phenylalanine and converts it to another. So in that particular gene for this enzyme, we have at least two, but we can also have a mutation in one, and that means we have two copies of each chromosome. I do this all the time. This is how I learned it. I just, for chromosome 1, we've got 2 of them. Now, so where did we get one of these, and where did we get the other?
Mom and dad.
Yeah, from mother and father. So this talks about in genetic studies and research, there are kind of the go-to organisms that we do research on. They'll talk about, like somebody from another college that's starting a biotech program, they'll come in and say, well, what model organisms do y'all work on? But it uses a tool now, right? Even in, not even biotech, just in biology classes, we'll use E. coli for a lot of things. So that's our bacteria here. You can see what y'all coming up.
Class is done. I only have class twice a week at school, and my other class is online. But before I leave campus for the week, I want to find out where the cafeteria is, because I'm always hungry, and I think that's really important to know where food is located. So that's what I'm about to do right now. I'm walking around, trying to not get caught in the rain, because it looks really ugly outside to see. But yeah. They didn't have anything left because they closed at 2 and it's 1:30. Plans didn't really plan out today, but at least I went to class. Here's my OOTD. Yeah.